Greetings, scholars. Welcome to part 4 of the video for writing the research paper. We've already formatted the paper with our sections. We've created our spacing. By the way, I've forgot to remove documented outline here. I don't need it, so you can delete it from your paper also. We've already talked about writing section 1. So let's talk about writing section 2 and the rest of the paper, because this is pretty much straightforward. If you look on the handouts, writing the research paper, you're going to see your supporting paragraphs. I want to make this easy. You have everything that you need on here except examples, explanation, and analysis. Okay, so everything is already formatted for you. The only thing that you're missing in here, your examples, your explanation, your analysis. So now you're going to go back in this on your documented outline that you've paragraphed into essay format, and you're going to look at each one of your subpoints, your topic sentences, and you're going to start writing out, adding examples, explanation, or analysis. So let's go back to the outline. So in section number 2, the argument, I have my topic sentence that's controlling this section. I have my research. So what I want to do now is go back and add to this. I want to add some explanation. I want to give some examples. I want to give some analysis to this, right? So in the final paper, you see how I did this. And in the final paper, we're going to highlight some things. So if you see here, section 2, the argument, I have highlighted my topic sentence, which is Roman numeral number 2 for my outline. I also have highlighted my research that I use to support Roman numeral number 2. So everything that is not highlighted in this paragraph, these are my original words. This is my explanation. This is my analysis. If I need examples, I put examples in here, okay? So one of the things that you have to remember with a research paper is that, yes, you're using research, but research should not be the major part of your essay. In other words, 70% of the paper should be your own words. 30% of the paper should be research, right? The 70-30 rules. In some cases, some professors prefer 80% of the paper be yours, 20% research. I always say 70-30. You have research on here, you have ample research on here, but research does not dominate the paper. Research does not dominate the paper. My words do. This is my topic sentence, even though it's highlighted in yellow. It's highlighted in yellow just so you see that it is a topic sentence. Research is in this paragraph, but it is not the majority of the paragraph. So anytime you have more research in a paragraph than you do your own writing, you know that you're on the wrong track, okay? Your research, your writing should be your explanation, your analysis of the information that you have. So again, look at this. You're going to go back and add, and where you add information is up to you. I type my topic sentence and I put explanation, a lot of explanation before I use my research. I have information after I use my research, okay? That's not always the case, right? In this paragraph, I pretty much have explanation before my research. In one paragraph, I know, and excuse me, I'm sorry. For example, in this paragraph, I use my research directly after my topic sentence, and the rest of the paragraph, the rest of this paragraph, these are my own words, okay? So pretty much simple. You're going to go through the rest of your outline. You're going to go through the rest of your outline, and you're going to, you have your research, you have your topic sentences, you're going to start adding your analysis, add your examples, add your explanation of what it is you're talking about. And if you highlight this while you're doing it, you can easily see, okay, in this paragraph, the majority of this paragraph, these are my own words, right? I only have one sentence of research. Everything else is my own words. And this will help you if you highlight, it will help you to see, okay, yes, I'm giving more analysis, I'm giving more explanation, I have more examples in here than I have research. Okay, and that's what you want to do. That is what you want to focus on. You already have the research. There's no need for you to add more research. Now it's up to you to use your critical thinking skills and add your analysis, add your explanation, add your examples to the paragraph. The majority of the paragraph, 70% of the paragraph should be your own words. And when I say 70%, I include the topic sentence with everything that is not highlighted. So go back, and like I said, it all depends on you where you put your research. If you want to put it directly after your topic sentence and then spend the rest of the paragraph in your own words, explaining, analyzing, providing examples, that is up to you. But a good rule to follow when you write the paper, simply highlight, do what I did. Highlight your topic sentence, which is yours, is your topic sentence. Highlight your research, right? And then look at how much information you were able to add, how much analysis, how much explanation, how many examples. And if 70% of the paragraph is your own words, then you should be pretty much fine. I'm not going to take off points because you have nothing in the paragraph but research. Go through this, go through the paper, make sure that you have everything. Again, this was a long quote for the paper. You have your counter arguments. Again, write your introduction. Your thesis statement goes at the end of the introduction. Look at your guidelines that are here when you get to this section. Okay, treat Roman numeral number 5 as a thesis statement. Write an introduction for it. Everything is here for you. Your A's and B's on the outline. The B, let's talk about the B. Let me talk about the B very quickly in your counter arguments. Most of you probably did a pretty good job on your refutes, on your documented outline. For me, I did not have a whole lot to add to my refute because on the documented outline, I think I fleshed it out pretty much. So if you've done that for your paper, I think I did add a little bit more information to this paragraph when I did the refute. But you should not be adding a lot more information to your refutes on the outline. The conclusion of the paper is just a conclusion. It's one paragraph. You have your Roman numeral there. Roman numeral number 8. Mine is the last sentence. Yours can be the first sentence. Make sure that you attach your works cited page. All sources should be in alphabetical order. Again, if you did the documented outline correctly, then the works cited page is already correct. Everything is as it should be. I should have no problem going through your sources, doing a find again, and making sure that everything is on the works cited list. Okay, that is writing the paper. Everything that you need is on Blackboard. If you want to read your instructions are here, what you are to do. Watch this video as many times as you need in order to understand the assignment. When you finish with the assignment, yours should look just like mine. You can go back and undo your highlights. Once you finish this, undo your highlights and just submit the paper to me on time on November 16th. And as always, any questions that you have, please feel free to email me and I will be happy to answer your questions. Have a great day. Have a productive week next week. There won't be any videos up next week because you are to be working on this assignment. I will see you the week of November 16th for the literary analysis.